Being consistent on YouTube without seeing any results can be extremely hard, especially if you're trying to escape the small channel jail. But how can you be consistent if you're not seeing any results and no one is watching your videos? And today I'm going to share my experience after making over 250 videos on YouTube. Now, the first thing that you need to understand that YouTube is not a race, it's a marathon. So many small creators on YouTube and every social platform try to gain fast results in the least time possible, and that's extremely wrong, especially for YouTube. Imagine participating in a marathon, which is at least 15 kilometers, but at the start of the line, you start to run as fast as you can. The probability of you reaching the finish line is almost zero. And this is the same concept for YouTube. At the beginning of your channel, your mission is not to get results. Your mission is to get better at making content, because YouTube favors quality over quantity. And the more you try to produce more content in the beginning of your channel and fail so much at first, your ability to create better content grows over time. I'm trying to produce and get a lot of content out there because I need something very important in order to grow my channel. And this is the thing that you need to focus on in the beginning and the early stages of your YouTube channel, which is getting enough data about your audience. And this is probably the key thing that you need to focus on as a small creator, getting enough data in order to grow your YouTube channel. So in the beginning of your channel, your focus shouldn't be about getting results. Your focus should be about maintaining and collecting data, and then how to get results from the data that you collected from your first 30 to 20 videos. Now, the second thing that could help you a lot with being consistent is stop searching for slow dopamine hits. What does that mean? So many small creators try to find that big hit, try to find that viral video. So they always think about maximizing their abilities in order to get that one hit of virality that gets their channel blowing up in the least time possible. And you need to stop that, because that could be the worst thing that you could do as a YouTube creator and as a creator in general. Because when you actually get that dopamine hit of going viral for the first time, you need to stop thinking about going viral again. You need to continue creating videos that is consistent in quality and in quantity. You don't want to chase the virality of one video and get discouraged from creating more content after getting that first viral video. And here's where small creators stop, because they think they had a viral video, and without having a lot of experience in the creator world, they think that everything that they could post after that viral hit is going to be viral as well, and it will get as much as views and watch hours. And that's a big mistake, especially for YouTube. And I'm going to explain why in another video, so do not forget to subscribe. Now, the last thing that could lead to a better consistency is creating with purpose. Me, as a small channel right now, I understand that I have to put a lot of content out there in order to get discovered in the YouTube algorithm and by the audience who watches this type of content. But what I need to do is something very important, which is experimentation and finding a feedback loop. When you go in my YouTube channel, you will find me talking about almost everything related to content creation, editing, ideation, thumbnails, and how to create better videos and how to be productive in creating videos as well. And here's what you need to understand from that experimentation. When a video goes above the average of my own channel, I try to replicate that same idea into another formats, and I apply something called milking the cow. When you find a video idea or a video outperforming your average views, you need to create that feedback loop. What's the perspective of that video that made it get views above the average? Is it the thumbnail? Is it the title? Is it the intro? So understanding and analyzing that pattern and video idea could lead to a better success, and these three things could lead to a huge success on YouTube if you want to be consistent. Now, if you want to be a little bit more productive in creating videos, you need to watch this video because it could help you understand how to create better content in less time.